I'd like to first begin by opposing their claim, their strategy of taking money from the global warming budget and removing it and putting it into the manned space exploration. First of all, according to an article called A New Era for Research on Climate and Global Change, the 2011 budget for the U.S. Global Change Research Program is $2.6 billion, whereas according to Wikipedia, that estimated annual budget for NASA is about $19 billion. So why take more money out of a program that only has a little bit and put it into another program that is about 7 times as big already? Next, I will be opposing their claim that manned space exploration brings about interest in math and science classes and basically provides role models for children. The most important role model for a kid is their parents. According to Dora Clark, as parents, we must realize that how our children turn out in life is in large due to how they are raised at home and the time and effort that we put into them. In addition, teachers also play an extremely large role into getting students interested in the maths and sciences. If you have a good teacher in math and science, you're more likely to want to go into that field when you get into college. According to an article called The Motivations Behind Students Pursuing STEM Majors, math courses perceived by students to be structured and well-organized led to student interest, autonomy, and competence. These findings suggest that a relatively straightforward intervention to increase student interest in STEM would be to ensure that instructors receive adequate training not only to develop content expertise, but also to structure their lessons and manage their classrooms more effectively. In addition, they pointed out that NASA brings about many advancements and accomplishments in different fields here on Earth. However, many of these inventions could have been invented without going into space with men, because some of these products are not groundbreaking. I admit the health and science and medicine are very helpful and everything, but products like the sports bra, enriched baby food, ribbed swimsuits, and portable cooler and warmers are not very important for the advancement of our world and society. So not everything is very beneficial. They claim that increasing federal funding to manned space exploration will stimulate the stagnant economy. However, NASA is located in small communities, and hence it will only help the economy of those small economies, not the entire U.S. economy. NASA is located in many parts of Florida, so many communities and cities there are made better because they have more job opportunities, but again, it's only a small locations as opposed to the entire country. And in addition, increasing federal funding for any type of program right now isn't really possible. According to the U.S. National Debt Clock, the outstanding public debt as of today, March 10th, 2011, is 14,866,606,769.06. So, increasing the funding for any type of program, manned space exploration, NASA, education, it's not necessarily possible right now. Hence, we may need to wait until our debt goes down quite a bit. Also, manned space exploration is in itself very costly. According to an article written by Chuck Rawls, currently it's estimated that just the shuttle program average cost per flight has been about $1.3 billion over a lifetime, and about $750 million per launch over its most recent 5 years of operation. This total includes development costs and numerous safety modifications. That means each shuttle launch could pay for 2 or 3 unmanned missions. So to emphasize, we are not saying to lower manned missions or that they're even not beneficial or not important, but we're saying it's not very possible to increase funding at this moment, and right now robotic or unmanned missions are more in our financial range.